Hello, and welcome to the guide on how to set an export frame on your map. To begin applying our frame, we click on the Export Data toolbar located down the left-hand side of the screen. This will then display the exporting steps. The export facility in ProMap allows you to take a number of different sets of data, which includes the current detail map data for use in AutoCAD and other applications, in a choice of file formats. It should be noted that when exporting current mapping from ProMap, any customization that you may have drawn on the map will not be exported. We now define our site, which we can do in one of three ways. Firstly, by setting a rectangular frame on the map, which can be made bigger or smaller depending on how much data is required. Alternatively, we can set a custom frame, which allows us to set a precise size of frame centered on exact eastings and northings, or by a shapefile. Finally, we can set shape export, which allows us to draw a shape precisely around the area that we require. For this particular export, we're going to use the Set Frame Export option. This will now place a blue frame on our map, and this blue frame shows us exactly how much of our map is going to be exported. This frame can be moved by clicking in the middle of the frame, holding down the left mouse button, and simply dragging the frame in the required direction. The frame can also be stretched bigger or smaller by hovering the cursor over the corner of the frame, holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to the required size. At the top of the frame, a price will be quoted for the detail export with a 12-month license. Once we are happy with our export area, we then click on Fix Frame on the left-hand side of the map. Our export frame cannot now be moved or stretched. For more information on how to select your export data, proceed to video 14.